Hi, my friends. My name is Jen, if you don't know me, and today I want to show you how to make a simple swap, how to make cleaning your home easy without the burden of harsh chemicals. Um, I have with me today a bundle of Thieves line of cleaning products. And if you're watching this video, I do hope it lasts. This video lives a lot longer than 3 months. But if you're watching this within the months of September to December of 2026, I am gifting somebody. I'm having a contest and I'm gifting this whole bundle in order to help you make the swap easy, not to be overwhelmed by reading all the list of ingredients on products as you go to the store, trying to sort through what is true and what is not. I have found a company I trust. I found products that I can trust. So I would like to share those with you, and it is an easy swap. So instead of going into the details of everything these products have and don't have, I'm available to talk to you about that, and I will certainly send you information about that. But today I just want to show you how I use these products so that it can be, again, just an easy swap without a lot of overwhelm. So again, the contest, I will give you information for the contest. If you do not see a link for it, wherever you're watching this video, please reach out to me. If you do not see a link to these products, because even if you're watching this video way beyond the contest, it's always available to you for purchase. It is a bundle and it's always the best value for your money, for your dollar, if you buy bundles. And this is about $120. But let me tell you, the value you get is amazing. Most of these products are super concentrated, so they can spread out and last you a long time. And they're just so good at their job, so versatile. There are so many hacks, and I'm going to share a few of those with you. So I'm going to start with the Thieves laundry detergent because this is something that the laundry room is a place where you have a lot of just harmful ingredients in the regular laundry detergent, whether that's fragrance or just the cleaning agents that are in it. So this Thieves laundry detergent is super concentrated, and you can easily make 3 different bottles. So if you save these bottles or buy some glass bottles, you can pour about 1/3 into another bottle, add some water, add some Thieves household cleaner, add some essential oils, and you have got an amazing, amazing product that's going to help clean your home. You can also do, and this is something that I did recently. So not only do you just put it in the washing machine to clean your clothes, and you only need a little bit, you do not need a lot. You can make a stain stick. So you can pour some of this directly on a stain. That's why I like adding the Thieves household cleaner to help with that. But I bought these 30 ml roller bottles, and I put in some of the laundry detergent, some of the Thieves household cleaner, some lemon essential oil. And then I have a stain stick that I keep upstairs near my clothes, near my hamper, and I will roll it on any stains. And then when I throw them in the wash, they've already gotten a good treatment, plus washing with this Thieves detergent, and it's good. It works. It's efficient. It's wonderful. So that is one thing that comes in the Thieves bundle. I would highly recommend getting, if you're only starting in one place, the laundry room is a great place to start. Get rid of your dryer sheets. Those are also harmful. I use wool dryer balls. I use vinegar sometimes in my wash to help soften clothes. So there's all sorts of ways to boost the laundry, whatever you're already doing with this laundry detergent. Okay, so that's one of the things. Another thing that I've already mentioned is the Thieves household cleaner. So this is super concentrated. Like this whole thing can make, I think it's around 30 different spray bottles. So I have one of these spray bottles. I'll take a capful of this Thieves cleaner, add it to a spray bottle like this, and I'll add water. And I can add essential oils, any essential oils I want. This bundle comes with Thieves and lemon for a reason. So I can add some extra Thieves, although this smells amazing as it is. Let me tell you, like I just like to open the bottle and sniff it. Oh, I think it smells so good. And normally I would not, or anybody should not be sniffing their cleaner, right? Because it's just full of normal, toxic, not normal, but normal, like over the counter cleaning products are going to have ingredients that normally you should not be breathing in. It's not good for your, yeah, not good for your body. But this Thieves Cleaner it's all plant ingredients. Again, I'm not going to go into all the details. Just know it is safe. You can safe to use around your pets, your kids. You can give them these cleaning bottles. Maybe not use a glass one for kids, but you can put one capful just for everyday light cleaning. You can put two or three depending on how concentrated you want it. So if you're in the kitchen, like often in the kitchen, I do put about two capfuls because there's often more grease and more grime, and it will help clean that easier. So I have one of these in every bathroom. I have it under my kitchen sink. I have it anywhere I think I just need to, I'll need to grab it quickly to clean. So that is the Thieves Household Cleaner. And again, it's so versatile. It does not come with this bundle, but it's still available to you. There is a Thieves dishwasher detergent. So if you want to put it in your dishwasher, there's a powder you can get for that. But a hack here to clean your dishwasher is to put a cup of vinegar and lemon essential oil in the top of your dishwasher. And then in the bottom, put a capful of Thieves Household Cleaner, run and clean your dishwasher. I did that not too long ago. It worked really well. Another hack that I want to tell you, again, these are so versatile and hacks come about by people just trying things. So there's so much cleaning power here that maybe you'll discover a new hack to share with the world. Maybe when something comes up and you just need extra cleaning power, you will grab something that you already have and learn how it can work for you and get the job done. So something else that doesn't come with the bundle, but I love and add to my loyalty order regularly is this fruit and veggie wash. Again, so versatile. You can use it to clean stains. It has enzymes in it, so cleaning carpet stains has worked for me. Cleaning your fruit and veggies also, but another hack that I was going to just tell you about is I have yet to do this, but I'm going to, is that it helps to strip your clothes. So if you throw a bunch of hot water in a bathtub and you put in some of this fruit and veggie wash, you put in a capful or so, or a quarter cup of the laundry soap and the Thieves Household Cleaner. Was it the Thieves Household Cleaner? Baking soda, sorry. Okay, so not the laundry soap. Yes, the laundry soap, veggie wash. Sorry, I've yet to do it yet. So I'm looking off a recipe. Some baking soda, some essential oils like purification, maybe, probably even the thieves would work well. And let your towels soak for several hours. And it helps to soften, get the grime, get a lot of that dirt and build up. Anyway, again, so just an example of all the versatile ways you can use this stuff. So truly, you can just go under your cabinets, get rid of the harsh stuff, bring this into your home, and I promise you, you will have everything you need to clean your home. Now, having baking soda and vinegar is also a great tool. Those are great cleaning tools, and they can always enhance this set here. What I used to do before this, so this is a kitchen and bath scrub. It's like a powder. I like to say it's like a Comet. It's not Comet. It's got good ingredients in it, plant-based. Again, if you wanted to breathe it in, it'd be safe. But before this came out, I would take the Thieves Household Cleaner and some baking soda and make a paste and use it when I needed more scrubbing power in my bathroom or maybe in my stove, pots and pans. What I like to do now is I take this powder. It is a powder. I sprinkle it on some pots and pans that maybe have some stains, and then I'll spray it with my thieves just to make a little bit of a paste and then and then I let that sit. And then let me tell you, ovens and pots and pans, it works amazing. This Thieves Household Cleaner, like if you really wanted to make a deep paste, take this Thieves Household Cleaner, put a capful in a little bowl, and then add some baking soda, and then just play around until you have the consistency you want. Spread it over the bottom of your oven. Let it sit for, I don't know, a couple hours. Just let it sit for a while and just watch how it cleans. It is amazing. This also works just as good. I'll sprinkle this on my sink, let it sit for a while. Again, maybe spray it with the Thieves Household Cleaner. Wipe it clean, shiny, amazing. One more thing I wanted to tell you about is it comes with dish soap. So using these bright blue, colorful green dish soaps is just ditch it, get rid of it. It's not good. Everything you're cleaning your dishes with, everything you're wiping your counters with, then you are eating. You're putting like your dishes, the residual chemicals stick around, they don't leave. And then you eat and it gets all over your food. It get just, yeah, this is a better option. It's super concentrated as well. I have not tried this, but I imagine you could put it in a um, foaming dispenser. You can try it, see if that works. You can divide it up into three separate bottles, add the water, add whatever you want to add it, just a boost it for deep cleaning. One thing I will mention is that it does not necessarily suds. Now, hear me. Suds do not clean. They don't clean. They're not a sign of cleaning. We are conditioned to believe that because it's because of ingredients like SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, and some other things that are a foaming agent and will create those suds. So we have come to believe that means cleaning, but it does not. It is the properties of what's in here and the hot water that actually do the cleaning. But if you like suds, like I do, then what you can do is if you divide this up into smaller bottle, maybe do three different bottles, add your water. You can add some baking soda, shake it up, and when you use it, you have that sudsy power uh, that feel that you like. Again, all these products are so versatile. It is a super, super easy swap to helping lower the toxic burden. This world we can't control everything, but there's so much in this world, so much in our environment that is actually not helping us thrive. It is causing chronic conditions. And it's a piece of the puzzle of our health that I don't think we think about. I think that we focus so much on food and movement and even like sleep and stress. So we're starting to talk more about, but the environmental toxins matter. What's in our food, what we're cleaning our dishes with, what we're cleaning our bathrooms with, it all matters. So this is an easy swap. I would love to help you get started with it. It is just one thing you can do to say yes to you. So again, if my link is not below or you just want to talk to me, I am here and I can help you. And I'd love to get you started with this Thieves line of products because once you start, you'll wonder what took you so long. Talk to you soon.